Hey, it's Jeff, and on this week's Commune podcast, I interview functional medicine doctor Mark Hyman, and he shares with us some of the best ways to bolster our immune system, which is obviously incredibly important right now, not just for our own health, but for the health of our communities and society at large. So today, in these next few minutes, I'm going to share with you my regime over the last couple of weeks to bolster my immune system. And there's a lot of different behaviors that we can engage in. So I have been meditating a tremendous amount, honestly, to try to keep my anxiety levels as low as possible. Anxiety actually has a lot of effect on your immune system. I've been trying to get outside in the sun and even in the sauna. In general, viruses do not like heat. So I've been trying to get in the sauna, get warm, breathe and oxygenate my blood, and also get vitamin D through being outside in the sun. So if you do live in a warm climate and it's sunny, definitely get outside, get some exercise, nothing too strenuous, but try to get outside and breathe. I've been also going pure plant-based diet for the last couple of weeks, but really focused also on getting proper protein from things like lentils and chickpeas. I've eliminated sugars, obviously no alcohol, no smoking, and very, very limited caffeine. Now, there's a bunch of other things that you can engage in, and I've laid some of these out here. Now, you generally want to keep your body extremely alkaline. We all have a pH balance, sort of that balance between an alkaline state and an acidic state. The normal human body is around 7.4. If you can get yourself up to an 8, viruses don't like that, cancers don't even like that. So one of the things I've been doing is drinking and gargling apple cider vinegar in a little bit of water. And you got to get used to the taste. It's a little funky, but I've been gargling it, getting it back in my throat, and then also, just drinking it like that. You can also, there's a lot of foods that you can eat that have an alkalizing effect on your body. Avocados, actually, which I love. I've also been taking this multivitamin. This one is the Wellness Formula one. It is chock full of A, B's, C's, and D's. Also some elderberry. I've been taking 6 to 8 capsules per day, 2 at a time, kind of spaced out over the course of the day. This is lipospheric vitamin C. You can get these in gel packs, or you can get it like this, and you want to generally take it on an empty stomach so it enters the bloodstream quicker and more easily. But with this one, you can just kind of squirt it into your mouth. You sort of let it dissolve more or less under your tongue. And this is a kind of supercharged vitamin C, also vitamin D, which you can take as supplements. It's honestly actually a hormone, so you can also get it from being out in the sun, like I said before. Another great way to develop and bolster your immune system is by really developing your microbiome, essentially the healthy plethora of bacteria in your gut. So you can do that from eating fermented foods. I eat a lot of sauerkraut that we actually make right here on the Commune. You can get it from kimchi. Here's a sort of a range of more bespoke, I guess you'd call it, probiotics. This is a turmeric ginger kefir, delicious. This one is actually a sea plankton, so probiotic sea plankton. It's actually very, very good. And then this is a probiotic coconut yogurt, and I actually just kind of keep one of these jars around with me and a spoon, and you can just, that's so good. You want to make sure you wash the spoon before you dip back in there, but yeah, it's really great to build up your microbiome. So if you're feeling psychosomatic symptoms, or you're feeling a little bit low, or even if you feel healthy, they say the best time to fix your rufus on a sunny day. I highly encourage you to really do everything you can to boost your immune system during this time. But don't take it from me. I'm not a doctor. These are just the things that I'm doing. Listen to the Commune podcast this week with Mark Hyman, and we'll be talking in depth about all the things that you can do for your immune system. So stay strong, stay centered, and stay home.